Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. This is my self-care vlog. I really have been neglecting myself. I'm tired of doing that. It's no progression if you keep on neglecting yourself. So I'm about to put my hair into a ponytail. See, I'm about to go to the laundromat, wash all my clothes, because that's self-care as well. Self-care, I gotta wash all my clothes. I'm up later than I usually would get up, but I've just been really exhausted because I've been working nonstop. Like, I was selected as a juror. I have to be at work. Like, it was court and then work, and then court and then work, and then court and then work. And literally, it been like that for 2 weeks. So I went 2 weeks without a full day off, like, to myself, because if I didn't have court, then I had work. If I didn't have work, I had court, and court was work too. So, but now that court is done, I had my day off yesterday, my full day off yesterday, which was Sunday, Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, y'all. I just stayed in the bed all day. I was bed rotting, and I love that for me, because I wasn't able to do anything for 2 weeks. I wasn't able to do nothing for 2 weeks. So today is Monday. The bed rotting was yesterday. So today we're gonna be doing our self-care shit, which the whole plan is laundromat, wash and fold my clothes, and I get back home, off my dresser, like the regular cleaning shit I do. Like the skincare, the self-care shit would be at night. So like clean off my dresser, clean off, like wipe down, like surface clean, like sweep and mop the floor. I'm gonna go to the laundromat and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's 10:46. I left out the house at like 9:06. So like an hour and 40 minutes, not bad. I'm about to fold my clothes up. And I posted my TikTok of the day. I'm trying to get to posting 2 TikToks. I had a job interview Saturday because I'm trying to get a second job, and she said the GM should get back to me like today, Monday. So hopefully if they don't get back today, I'm still looking for another job. Right now I'm about to listen to my tarot card reader. Her name is, she's on YouTube. Her name is Naja Crave. Bruh, everything she be saying really be aligning with my life, and it's so fucking crazy. Like, she like, somebody keeps trying to have an argument with you, someone is trying to start problems with you, boom, problem. Literally, she was describing what the fuck was going on with my life. It's just crazy. So I listen to her like every morning before I go to work, because she, like, whenever she posts a video, like, it always pop up, because if it's meant for you, it's meant for you. And it also be just affirming me to keep going on my journey, so I don't end up how that person is. Resonate. If it don't, it don't. But okay, y'all, I'm done cleaning my room. It's 12:28. Y'all know I started at like 10:46. That's when I folded my clothes. So I'm gonna just show y'all. I didn't mop my floor. I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. I just don't feel like it. But bed is made. Don't worry about that. Like, majority of my floor is clean. Cleaned off that. Cleaned off this. This is, I gotta unbox this. My desk. My dresser. Over here, we just ignore this part. But yeah, mirror. Mantle is clean. Yeah. So I'm feeling way better. Now for the actual self-care, we are gonna be doing, okay, like skincare. I have been neglecting my skincare. Let's see my Amazon package here. I recently just started yesterday watching the Conjuring movies in order. So the first movie I watched was Annabelle Creation. This is also part of self-care. I'm a Scorpio, y'all, so I think that's also why I was feeling some type of way, because like, I haven't seen a horror movie in a long time. As Scorpios, I swear, I never met a Scorpio that doesn't like horror. So yeah, I need to watch horror movies. Like, as a Scorpio, we need to watch horror movies frequently, okay? Because it charges our soul, okay? literally. So I watched Annabelle Creation first, then I watched The Nun. Now I need to watch The Nun 2. And on my Amazon package to come, because this is also self-care. So Easter was yesterday, and like, this is all I want for Easter. It's like these bubblegum eggs, but they come in like a carton. Like, literally, look at them. This reminds me so much of my childhood. So this, I need that. Like, I'm literally checking it every hour. Like, where the fuck is y'all at? It's one package. And I've been seeing a lot of angel numbers. 888, 999, 111. So that always just affirmed to me that I'm doing the right thing. I'm on the right track. And I always feel like everything that happens for a reason. There's no such thing as a coincidence.
There is no such thing as a coincidence. The fact that you're watching this video means you are energetically aligned with me and this message. Your thoughts create your reality. But you already knew that. Yet, you still live a life that you dread.
Excuse me. I'm really trying to get to a posting schedule where I can post. I'm going to start posting twice a day. Like, I really wish I had an iPad. Like, I want my iPad. Like, y'all, it's like 4 something. I made me some popcorn. About to watch the first Annabelle. I'm watching Criminal Minds. It's almost 11 o'clock. I was supposed to do my hair, but I don't even feel like it. And some noodles. Yeah, look at my ramen bowl. Okay, y'all. What time is it? It's like 12. Go to bed, y'all. I literally just finished brushing my teeth. I hopped out of the shower already. Hopped out the shower, brushed my teeth. Actually, I don't want to show the moisturizer because he was in the Epstein files. And I didn't know until after I bought this. So, but this is like a really thick, like, nighttime moisturizer. But like, if you want to get like a thick moisturizer, I would say Tatcha. They wasn't in the files. And that's Japanese skincare. I'm proud of myself. I feel like I had a productive day. Usually I wouldn't do all of this in one day. Like, literally, usually it take me multiple days to just surface clean, like clean my desk, just especially my desk. But I feel like I was really productive today. Washed my coat. Y'all see my coat? It was really dirty, but I washed it. Now it's back clean. Some eczema medicine, because I realized also, not only do like peanut butter make me break out, which because I'm allergic, but like when I'm stressed, my eczema starts flaring as well. And I've been pretty stressed recently, and like it really been flaring on my hands. Good morning, y'all. It's 7:24. I'm about to finish editing my eyeshadow tutorial in my bed because I don't feel like sitting at my desk. I just came over here to wake up. Y'all see I'm up early. I usually get the bus to work at like 9, not like early 9 o'clock. So I got a good amount of time. And I want to deposit my $15 check from jury duty. Wow, $15. Bitch, where the rest of my fucking money? Okay, y'all, I'm bringing y'all to my bed right now just because I'm just like super comfortable in my bed. Hold up, let me pause this. I'm in my bed. I'm just gonna be in my bed. Okay, y'all, it's 7:42. Lock screen says, do it tired, do it unmotivated, do it scared, do it sad, do it alone. Like, that's just, I always need my lock screen to be very motivating for me because I need that motivation. I literally just finished editing everything off of this SD card. I'm pretty sure that was everything. It just works better with the TikToks and the Instagram reels. Boom. And y'all can see, here we go. Boom. So with TikTok, I feel like I got the TikTok algorithm down to a science. Like, at first I'm like, oh, you gotta post at this time, at this time, at this time. No, it don't matter what time you fucking post on TikTok, y'all. It don't matter what time. I would say the earlier you post is the better, because also if you want, you know, your TikTok to reach every audience, like for example, I'm not catering towards kids, but like it's an eyeshadow tutorial. So if a kid want to learn how to do their eyeshadow, they can watch my TikTok. But they can't watch it if they in school, you know what I'm saying? So you want to post like 7:48 in the morning. This is a good time to post. Instagram is way different. I don't really get Instagram. I don't know nothing about that.
Anywhere. Second part. He was getting into people's phones.
Hey y'all, I finished my hair. That's the I love doing like the flexi rod stuff. Like, it's so easy, which I'm of course gonna do a tutorial on soon. But I like to use a lot of body moves because it's cheap. It's only $4, y'all. It's really cheap. So also, every time I do my hair, I always post it on TikTok. So make sure y'all follow my TikTok on the screen. So if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and check out my last video.